humans. When you say best interests, you say, I think the quote you used is, we'll be fine in a world of AI, if the AI has our best interests at heart.
Yeah.
The problem is China's best interests are not the same as America's best interests.
That was my fear. Absolutely. So in my writing, I write about what I call the three inevitables. At the end of the book, they become the four inevitables. But the third inevitable is bad things will happen, right? If you assume that the machines will be 1 billion times smarter, the second inevitable is they will become significantly smarter than us. Let's put this in perspective. Huh? ChatGPT today, if simulate IQ, has an IQ of 155. Okay, Einstein is 160. Smartest human on the planet is 210, if I remember correctly, or 208 or something like that. Doesn't matter, huh? But we're matching Einstein with a machine that I will tell you openly, AI experts are saying this is just the very, very, very top of the tip of the iceberg, right? ChatGPT 4 is 10x smarter than 3.5 in just a matter of months, and without many, many changes. Now,